We're in Coconut Creek, Florida to upgrade this system to a smart irrigation system. And to start, we're going to work on the plumbing. I'd already dug out the pit where I'm about to install this valve manifold, so we'll skip that part and just show you where I'm building the valve manifold. I know I might get some comments on this, so let me explain it. I'm not putting a cap on the end of this one because this is getting installed on a 0 lot line home. That means there is absolutely nowhere else to install irrigation on this property. This will only ever be a 3-zone system. No room for expansion. Now that we got that put together, it's time to install it in the pit. We did have an indexing valve here. Hold on a minute. I know I'm going to get another comment, so let me go ahead and explain this one too. The backflow only had 2 different methods of installing it. Turned about 90 degrees towards me. That would have left the test ports against the wall, and the plumber would have been mad if he would have came out and tried to test that. So that's where it gets installed. You can still access the handles, so it's really not a problem, but that's where it's going. The next step, the smart controller.